You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing names from Greek mythology, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you like learning. Cerberus. Stress on the first syllable. Both British and American pronunciations are similar, even though in American it sounds more like Cerberus, Cerberus, or in British English again, Cerberus, a three-headed hound, Cerberus. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.